Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Kim Ji-won fortune analysis. An application has been received for the analysis of beautiful actress Kim Ji-won's fortune. An overseas YouTube subscriber has applied. Kim Ji-won's fortune is very neat, but it's a fortune that contains various stories. Let's analyze it together. Kim Ji-won is a big mountain in fortune. Big mountains are characterized by giving people trust and being a central point everywhere. Kim Ji-won has two sets of strong and attractive combinations of letters in her fortune. It's a very favorable condition as an actress. There is also a sexy charm in fortune that goes well with military uniforms. And there is a conflict in the fortune. Although it is not interpreted seriously as a conflict between the same temperament, the characteristic of this conflict is that Kim Ji-won always has a lot of thoughts and does not feel peaceful inside. Therefore, Kim Ji-won's personality is explosive. So she has a strong personality that reacts as soon as someone attacks. However, when it is calm, it shows trust and faithfulness as a big mountain. Kim Ji-won's fortune is very neat. There are three letters that mean herself: pursue independence and freedom. Even if someone interferes or advises her a different direction from what she thinks, there is seriousness and stubbornness that goes on her own path silently. Energy is flowing well, starting with the letters that mean itself and directly to the letters that mean art and wealth. It's a fortune told by celebrities and businessmen, but she has a strong energy, so she has a very high level of physical activity intelligence. It's a temperament that fits well with models and athletes. Although energy is gathered in letters that ultimately mean wealth, the energy corresponding to art is also very strong. Kim Ji-won's art is a style that naturally and comfortably brings out her artistic talents with pure artistry. It's a temperament that unfolds with natural acting skills without exaggerating too much. Speech is also a very good structure. It's a big mountain, so it's usually silent, but when she has to talk, she can express her thoughts very well in words. Kim Ji-won had the luck to display this artistic temperament even when she was young, and now she has a good time with the energy that makes her artistic temperament shine even more. And she is having a good time of rising the water of her acting skills. Good luck is staying for a very long time. However, there is no energy equivalent to man and honor in the fortune itself, and it comes in late. I think she will be a little late for marriage. She doesn't even have input energy, but that energy is now playing a good role in improving her acting skills. Input energy plays a good role in academic acceptance and knowledge acquisition. And if she only believed in her abilities and acted hard, she can see that it is a good time to increase the depth of acting through careful research. I analyzed the fortune of Kim Ji-won, a wonderful actress and whom many people love. Please continue to develop and be happy. Thank you. subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.